Ovacik Villa is situated on a beautiful plot of steppe land, with olive trees in a rural area in Ovacik, Cesme, Izmir. The Aegean landscape, with its sloped topography, is tamed by a system of terraces, bringing functional use for the 4 levels of gardens. The entrance is at the top-level garden, which allows unique access with a panoramic view of the landscape. Massing is split with a vertical circulation tower, which separates the bedrooms and the living rooms connecting to the pool garden level. The stepped gardens with olive trees follow up towards the lower levels. The structural frame of the house is contrasted with the recycled local stone Façade infills and the gabled zinc roof. Façade stone is installed via local craftsman cutting with an axe and fitting by hand in between specified frames around the façade. The circulation tower and the fireplace chimney stack are contrasted with dark plaster cladding. The stone installation technique is inspired by historic local Greek architecture around the region. Zinc roof, aluminum parts, and frames are carefully integrated to create a systematic composition and transition in between materials composition. The massing split is carefully orchestrated between the entrance and the pool garden levels, which allows a controlled harmony as the building itself shapes the landscape with stepped gardens.